Hello friends, in this video I would like to share with you what's going on inside of Verbal to Visual throughout May of 2026. I'm trying some new things this month that I'm pretty excited about. First of all, I've identified a theme for the month, and that theme is Design Your Learning Arena. That concept of a learning arena comes from the book Visual Collaboration. I talked about it in my last video, and it's all about creating the physical environment that supports the visual thinking work that you're up to. And throughout the month of May, I want to help you set up your learning arena. And we will accomplish that goal in a handful of ways. First of all, I will be hosting a workshop dedicated to that topic. That will take place on Thursday, May 14th at 9 a.m. Pacific time on Zoom, which will be recorded and the replay posted. Prior to that workshop, I'll be asking you and other participants to snap a photo of their current workspace so that we can see what everyone has going on. And then I'll walk you through an activity to find opportunities to improve your space just a little bit. We'll bookend that workshop with office hours on May 7th and May 21st, where you can bring questions related to any of the courses of ours that you're working through, or get feedback on a current visual thinking project of yours. We will then end the month with a book club event. This quarter, we're reading the books Rapid Viz and How to Make Sense of Any Mess, two visual thinking skill building books that will introduce some strategies that you might be able to apply in your own work. You can pick one or both of those books to read, and in this event, we'll be discussing the middle third of each of those books. But we've got some fun things going on outside of those live events, including a new weekly sketchnoting challenge. Each Monday, I will post something for you to sketch out, something like an article or a podcast or a video that's related to that month's theme. And then you have until Sunday to watch or listen or read and sketch out the ideas that you come across, and then post your sketch for others to see. Here's a sneak peek of the first challenge, where I will encourage you to watch and sketch out Ingrid Fattel Lee's TED Talk, Where Joy Hides and How to Find It. I think those challenges will be fun because we'll all take a look at the same source material and then get to see the different things that each of us pull out of it and the different ways we visualize those specific ideas. Another new thing that I'll be trying out this month is posting more polls and prompts within our network. This is a cool feature of Mighty Networks, the learning platform that I use, that can be a great way to spark interesting discussions, do some quick idea and resource sharing, and help to provide some momentum with your visual thinking work. I'll be sharing a new poll or prompt every Monday and Friday. Here's a look at the first one. Share one small ritual you do before starting focused learning or deep work. I think it will be interesting to see the responses to that prompt. And those polls and prompts will also relate to the monthly theme. In addition to all of those events and activities related to this month's theme of Design Your Learning Arena, you'll also be able to tap into our library of self-paced online courses to build your visual thinking skills from the ground up, and then start applying them in specific directions, like making videos or learning a new language or building your own online course or presentation. So if you're ready to dive deeper into your own visual thinking skill development, I do hope you'll join us this month. You can learn more and sign up for a free week-long trial at verbaltovisual.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.